Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 7, Nike edition, and I'm gonna show you how to reset the home screen layout on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by tapping on the screen or pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now swipe on the screen to scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down and tap on the general option. Then scroll all the way down and select the option called reset. Here, scroll down, tap on reset home screen layout. Here we have a warning about what will happen if we reset the home screen layout. Basically, it will reset our home screen to the factory default settings. Now let's tap on reset home screen to confirm and reset our layout, like this. You can also reset the home screen layout by using the Watch app on your iPhone. So let's bring our iPhone right here. Open the Watch app iPhone. You should see this page, my watch page. On this page, scroll down, select the general option, scroll down, tap on reset, tap on reset home screen layout, then tap on reset home screen to confirm. And that's how you reset the home screen layout on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.